Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are facing any setup error from a two-part FitGirl update, I show you guys how to do it properly. And here is the game update list. As you can see, one I actually updated yesterday, three parts. And the second one is now I'm going to update it. That has two parts. I already have downloaded this both parts. Just select both parts, right click and select cut option. And now right click on the game and select open file location. And now paste the files in here. And right click on the part 1 and select extract WinRAR and select extract here. This will extract the part 2 as well guys. And now as you can see the game named as update. Just double click on it and select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Select the language and select OK option and select next. Select next and select the browse option and select the location where you are saved the game. I saved in C-Raw games and here is the game folder. Select it and select OK and select next and select the yes option. Select next. Username, just name it as your name and select next and select install option. As you can see the update has been done. Uncheck this option and select the finish option. And now open the game. And as you can see the game has been updated to 2.01.00. Before it was 2.0001. The version has been updated and that's how you can update it guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.